Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we explain how to add multiple videos to Zeely's ads campaign. So to get started with that, Zeely focus on simplicity and fast ad creation. So adding multiple videos to your single campaign is possible but works a bit different than additional ads platform. So when creating an ad, Zeely usually lets you upload one primary video creative per ads variation. However, if you want to showcase multiple videos in a campaign, you can do this by creating a separate ad variation within the same campaign flows. As you go through the ad creation process, after uploading your first video, you have the option to duplicate or add a new ads creative. So here you can upload additional videos, each act as a separate variation. So Zeely AI will then split text these videos automatically, showing the different version to your audience to see which one performs best. So if the goal is to create a carousel like effect or a compile multiple video clip into one long videos, you will need to combine the video using the external editors like CapCut or Canva before uploading them into Zeely. So Zeely itself doesn't create a multiple video slideshow or a carousels, but it supports campaign with a multiple creative variation. So to add multiple videos to a Zeely campaign, you upload such video as a separate ad variation during setup. So Zeely will rotate and optimize them automatically, ensuring your campaign benefits from testing different video creative. No complicated setup required.